In the last video, we saw how simple it is to create and run a basic React application using create React app command. It is very important to know files and folder structure of your app. First of all, open VS Code. Then first file is package.json. This file contains dependencies and script required for your project, like as React DOM, React version 17.0.2, and React DOM 17.0.2, and React script. And it also contains script for run project, for build a project, for test project, for eject a project. So this file contains the all the dependencies and script for your app. The next file is package log.json. This file contains the this file contains or this file is used for ensuring the consistent installation of your dependencies. For ensuring the installation of your dependencies. Then other file are readme.md and gitignore. Let's move to our first folder that is node modules. Node modules. Node module is the folder in which all the dependencies are installed. This is the folder in which all the dependencies are installed. It generates when you run the command create React app. Then next folder is public folder. It contains the index.html. Index.html. It is the only one HTML file in your React app. Index.html contain a div id root where all the view of your app is located. Then manifest.json. This file is used for progressive web app. It can be ignored as beginner. Then it contains favicon.icon, React icon, and other PNG files. Then we move to source folder. This is your working folder. Source folder is working folder. First, index.js. The root component of your app is located in index.js, like as app. Main component of your app is located in index.js. Index.js. App component is rendered inside the root. Root that is located in the public folder index.html. Then it contains the app.js. In app.js, we write a code that is run in your specific browser. Then app.css. It is used for CSS of your app, for styling your app. Then it contains index.css for styling your index.js for your app. Then it contains logo.svg logo file, and report web virtual.js, shape.test.js, and other files. Then these are the files and folder structure of React app. First of all, when you run the command npm start, it goes to public folder index.html and render it on browser. Then it go to source folder index.js. Then it render app main component, app component. Then it goes to app.js. Then it render all the HTML file on your browser. App contain app contain all the HTML file for your app. Ultimately, it run your code on the browser. Thanks for watching.